Aww. Huh? Pardon? You know. Sound like you swore then. Our beautiful Dolly. I just want to ask you something. The other day you said a bit of a swear sentence. And you said, you're a TNUC backwards. Clear as day. You said it twice. Now I was just wondering, did Spud teach you that? He's a little rough around the edges. I know he can throw a few words out. So, that's alright. I know what he's like, but we love him anyway. You're naughty, Spud, but cute. Don't teach Dolly that. Hey, Spud, please don't teach Dolly naughty words. We love you, Spud. Be a good little potato. And no more swear words, okay? Okay.